Welcome back to another episode. I had to be cheesing at this one for sure, for sure. So, not sure if you saw the recent video in regards to exchanging or trading my problem for someone else's. But my media room TV in the basement broke, and that left me heartbroken because we liked watching some movies down there when we get a chance, and I had to find a replacement. But we're not down there often enough to justify the replacement for like a brand new nice TV anyway. So what we decided to do is I attempted to fix the problem that we did have by ordering an HDMI converter cable to component, but that didn't work as well as I had hoped. So scoured online. I think Facebook actually found a great deal on, and you know. When there is an opportunity to get something, you had to move quickly. So I did everything I could in my power to move quickly, but unfortunately, it wasn't fast enough. And I had a great deal on a working 82-inch TV. I think it was being offered at $150, and like last minute they switched it to free, and I'm just like, all right, I just got to get all the transportation and everything in line to get it. And sure enough, just before I'm about to pick up the equipment and pick everything up, they're like, oh, sorry, we give it to somebody else. So I'm not sure if you've been in that position before, where something that you've wanted and you're kind of like you're doing everything in your power to line up kind of slips through your fingers. It stinks. So I kept looking even against the advice. My wife was just like, oh, just pass on it. It'll come back. So I just kept looking, and sure enough, I found another 82-inch DLP television that wasn't working. Now, the beautiful thing is about things that are not working, or things that are not, let's say, tip-top condition, is that they're offered at a discount. In this case, it was a significant discount. So I reached out online, and I think they wanted $100 for it, for a non-working TV. And I'm just scratching my head like, I don't know if I want to pay for something that's not working, because I'm not really sure what the problem is. But if I can get it for free, I can figure out what the problem is, and if I can't figure out the problem, I can fix it. So I decided to reach out, and I did a little bit of negotiation. So if you've watched or looked at negotiating with the toothfairy.com, I give a lot of lessons as far as negotiating with my kids and them negotiating with me. So this was no different. So I pretty much reached out and asked, hey, are you looking to get rid of the TV, or are you looking to fix it? And as soon as I did that, they deferred to, oh, we're looking to get rid of it. So I'm like, perfect. So if you want to get rid of it, I'm the man for the job. I can help you out there. And I asked, if you're looking to get rid of it, when do you need it picked up? So there was no discussion of cost. They just we just want it out of here because we got a replacement. This wasn't working for us. Come and take it. So then I had to line everything up. I had to find the transportation. I had to find the help. And fortunately, everything lined up for me to actually pick it up. Now, brought it to the house. That was a challenge getting it to the house. Fortunately, my son helped me out in doing that. But I got everything up and running today. TV is broken no more. And you want to know what the fix is? The fix I found was illustrated in the instruction manual. So the light bulb for DLP televisions that actually emits the light source in order to actually have the picture on the television, it was malfunctioning. And it actually looked like a new light. I'm actually have it right here. The light was in decent condition. Didn't look like it had any cracks. No aspects of it were damaged, but the TV essentially just didn't like it. So looking through the manual, it wanted a very, very specific type of bulb. So that's exactly what I looked for. I essentially grabbed that ID, went to Amazon, plugged in that ID, Amazon and eBay, and once I actually found a decent price, because there's a lot of different vendors out there, lots of different prices. But I think instead of just getting one replacement lamp, I got two. And those two bulbs cost me a total of $60. And they got here today. And I got the TV up and running today with the replacement bulb. So now I have a replacement bulb for, if this bulb ever goes out. And I have this bulb. And I'm trying to remember. Oh, that's right, the U-Haul. So the U-Haul trailer itself cost me $30. So my investment, $30 plus $60 equals $90 for something that wasn't working. And just having the know-how to know what I actually need to do to fix it. So now I have a working 82-inch TV. My overall investment was $90, even better than the $150 from that was being offered previously. So now I'm looking forward to watching a movie on this brand new spanking TV. I say new just for the fact that it's working and it wasn't working before. But in any case, I actually had to do a little bit more work now. So this TV is in fact so big that it does not fit on my previous stand in the basement. So now I had to find a new stand. Now, that's not a big deal because I'm going to scour, I'm going to find a good deal, and we're going to make that happen. And then probably the last piece is, in addition to the new stand, I still had to figure out how to finagle it down to the basement, which is not going to be an easy task. But the hardest stuff is done. A replacement TV that now works, and now the smaller pieces are how do you get in the basement, and how do I find a stand that actually is going to hold it up. So, hard part done, easy part is ahead of me. So, looking forward to showing you what the finished product looks like. I just can't wait to sit down in the basement on a hot day outside with cool air conditioning downstairs and taking in an awesome movie. So, more to come. All right, bye.